Good morning, YouTube. Well, it's morning where I am. Well, this morning I'm back again with another video, and I am sharing with you guys some peppers that I picked some peppers. I picked some peppers from off of my balcony garden, and I just got some jalapeno and those are the red ones. But I also have a surprise that I picked this. I have some chili peppers. See that skinny red pepper? I bring this in here to show you guys. This is what's growing also. I believe I sowed many different seeds. Instead of separating them, I just threw them in the dirt, and voila, I have, like, I think the other ones that I had in the previous video, Pasillo, and I have the jalapeno, and it was some even also some bell pepper was mixed up in there some kind of way. But that's my red chili right there. I just took that off. I don't think it's quite ready, but I'll still use it because it's a spicy chili. I am so excited about that, you guys. I'm growing chili peppers and didn't even know it. But anyway, also in this video, I'm going to do some more shout out love. I met some new friends, and I'm going to shout out some old friends, and I want you guys to go meet and greet and support them. Keep the love going. It's all about support, helping one another. So you guys go to these channels and encourage them to keep making videos. Share a few words and just let them know. Just keep making videos. Tell them how much you love their channels and their video, you know, what they're doing. And if you have any tips for them, just share your information. It's all good. There's lots of positive, kind folks out here that need some help and that want to help you. They can even help you back. So here we go with some great new friends and some great old friends that I'm going to shout out. I have gardeners, shoppers, and some hiker travelers. So here we go. Sorry for the shadow in this video. Okay, I have some gardeners, for the gardeners, from Mrs. Abby, Rachel Banks, Leafy Junkie. How about that name, guys? Purple Plant Lady. How about that name, guys? Don't be late for the ball, Bill. And one last one, Henny's Hills Farm. Okay, now here are a few shoppers. She's a Beauty, OMG. And if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, I do apologize. Latanya Wilson and Mommy's Life 3, Jessica Martinez, and Gma D, Housewife. Hikers, travelers, Happy Trails Hiking. And remember, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, I apologize. Senja Aldi is Senja. If I'm pronouncing your name wrong, I apologize. And the last hiker traveler is Free RV. Okay, guys, go and share your go and show these folks some love and some support. And you know, tell them Janita loving you. Janita loving it sent you. And just go and encourage them, go and help them out. You have some tips for them, give them tips, and vice versa. Let's help each other out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. And ooh, the shadow's crazy. And please, you guys, as you go and visit and make friends, please support each other. Do not go and make friends and don't go visit. You must visit each other. Listen to my last video about how to visit someone's channel if it's a long video. But go ahead on, you guys, and check out these new friends. And meet, greet, support, and take care of each other, okay? And that's about it. You guys have a great day. And remember, if I didn't shout you out in this video, remember there's always another video. Ooh, the shadow is crazy. Let me know, y'all, if y'all tired of my shout outs. If I need to stop this. I need some direction. If I'm doing too many shout outs for y'all, y'all holler at a sister and let me know, so I can just cut this out and get back to my regular routine. Let me know now, okay? Okay, y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye.